Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel Art with Aim. Hope all of you are doing great. Friends, today we are going to make a beautiful mirror decor by using different small sizes mirrors. You can easily make it at home. Here, take a look. Okay, before starting, if you have not subscribed my channel, please go for it so you couldn't miss the upcoming videos. Okay, let's start. Take a circular cardboard. Now we have to spray it with silver spray paint. You can also use metallic colors for this. We don't need to paint the inner side because we have to put mirror inside it. And we can do it by using this glue gun, hot glue gun. And it's done. Now we have to use any shopping bag, or you can say simple hard paper. We cut this paper because we just need to paint it with brown color, or you can say copper color. Here I am gonna use these colors, and you can paint it with brush, or you can also spray it. Now we have to stick these mirrors on it. Now by using these small different sizes mirrors, we have to stick it on the cardboard. Friends, I have also made many other wall hangings, also have made many other wall mirror decors. You can visit my channel for this, and if you like any of the video, please don't forget to subscribe. It will really help me a lot. Now I'm gonna stick all these mirrors by using different patterns. We have to do these steps one by one. And here our mirror is ready. Now to hang it, we are going to use this rope, or you can use also any ribbon. Friends, if you like my video, if you like this mirror, please give me thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.